Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Untitled Chapter viewers. In this video, I have a really cool one for you guys. We're going to be taking a look at some Ghostek cases for the iPhone 13, the 13 Pro, and the 13 Pro Max. Now, they didn't send out any mini cases this year, but to be honest, the iPhone 13 mini did not seem to be selling very well, so I understand. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to actually start with the Pro Max this time, which I will get to the reason why in a minute. But we will start with these, and there's also 3 of these. Go ahead and get going with these. This is the Atomic Slim. We've also got the Covert, as well as the IronArmor. Now this one is the only IronArmor that we have, but these two are also very popular. I know a lot of people like these, so let's start with these. I'm going to start with this pink one here. So I'll push this off to the side just a bit. We could just take a look at this packaging. This is top-notch packaging, guys. All the other case companies should take note here. It just looks so Apple-like with all the, kind of rounded edges here, and it just gets to what you need to know. A lot of people ask, is it MagSafe wireless charging compatible? Yes, it is. Non-slip grip, raised camera lip, all the stuff that you want to know. Now, how do you open it? Well, it looks like you just kind of slide it up from the top here, and it comes right out, and there it is. Ooh, that looks good. So let's pull it out here. Of course, in the box, we've got the Ghostek troll stickers, so you can troll your friends with that. You've also got a thank you card here. So if you need instructions, there you go. And here is the case itself, looking super nice. And that, my friends, is metal all the way around. It is cold to the touch and feels very premium. So I'm going to pull this out and look at that. So it's going to be hard to focus this because it is cleared on the back, but you guys can see what that looks like. Now, I think one of the best things about these cases has to be how durable they are. And you guys can see on the inside here, this orange lip, if it focuses again, there we go. You guys can see it's double shot. So they added this in. It's a separate piece, I think. And that is super soft and absorbent. So if you did drop your phone, that should absorb a lot of the pressure all the way around. They've got these bubbles here on the side. You guys can see it's inlet there. And that also obviously keeps your phone from scratching. So let's go ahead and grab the dummy model for the 13 Pro here. So here that is, this behemoth. The 13 Pro is so big. I mentioned that in all of my videos. If you are thinking about buying a 13 Pro, please try it in the store first. It is so big. A lot of people might not like that. But with this case on it, man, that looks good. This pink color is pretty subtle. It's not like a hot pink. It's not super bright. It does look really good. As you guys can see on the front here, if you're just looking at it, you're not really going to see any pink, but on the back here, that's where you see it. MagSafe compatible right here, which is fantastic. Right here it says Atomic. You can see the camera resivity is pretty good. The grip, you guys can see they even added some grips here on the side, which makes holding the phone so much better. And I really like this indent right here. So they didn't have to do that, but the fact that they did it lets you know that they really thought about this design, because that's right where your thumb sits, and it makes the case feel a lot smaller than it really is, because this is a big phone to begin with, and adding a case onto it just adds bulk. But this one hides it very well. On the sides here, let's check the button feel. Feels very good. Mute switch right there. On the bottom, you've got your ports here if it focuses. There we go. You guys can see cutouts look perfect, and your power button is covered right there. Now, Slamboy approved, of course. You guys can lay this down without worry, because this lip goes well above the screen. And probably the best part of this case, not only does it give you some color, but it also gives you a see-through look at the back of the phone. Some people might not like this MagSafe look, but it is what it is, and it really lets people know you've got an iPhone. So this is the Atomic Slim. If you want to check it out, I'll have links down below. They've got other colors. They used to have like a rainbow color. I'm not sure if they still do, but it was like a kind of looked like an oil slick on the metal. Looked really awesome. So I'll see if they still have that. One thing I definitely have to point out is that you guys can see here, this is recessed. So they have actually cut out part of the case so that you can fit possibly a bigger connector in here, or even an L-shaped charger. They thought of everything. So Ghostek is the real deal, guys. Super quality, super premium, very minimal branding, as you guys can see. And that metal feels really nice. It's cold to the touch. Let's move on to the next. So next up here, we have the Covert. So let's slide it out. And here it is. This is a little bit of a more minimal case. Got the same troll sticker and thank you card in there. Peel this out. And here is what this one looks like. So you guys can see the inside here. It does have still those kind of rubber corners, super soft. And that really looks cool on the outside as well. So I'm glad they did that. Now this one has a smoked, kind of a root beer looking tint around the sides, which is really cool. Minimal branding, just says Covert right there. This one is a little bit more pliable than the other. But let's go ahead and grab the iPhone, put it in. So we'll go button side first here. Slide it in. And just like that, we've got it installed. Let's take a look at the case itself. Man, that looks good. Especially with the black phone, that smoked out look. looks super nice. Of course, camera resivity just as good as the other one, and MagSafe compatible, of course. On the bottom, same nice cutout there, generous, and all cutouts look good. Of course, the power button here is covered, and let's check the button feel. Oh, these are nice. Yeah, this is good stuff. And one thing that I also need to point out, the sides here are very tight all along the edge except for where the buttons are. So that helps keep dust and debris out from your case. I'm glad that those are very tight. You guys can see the orange in those corners. As you guys can see, the corners do jut out a bit. So if you do drop it, should have extra protection. Let's move on to the last 13 Pro Max case. And lastly, for the Pro Max, we have the IronArmor. And this one still has their old-timey packaging, which it's fine. It's just not as cool as that new packaging. But let's pull this out. So we've got this, which was already taken off. And we've got the thank you card, as well as a troll sticker. So set that off to the side. Here we go. This thing means business. I can already tell. There is the box. We can put that to the side. Man, that is a unit right there. Let's take this out and see what we've got. Oh my gosh. We have a screen protector included with this case. A very nice screen protector. It even has a very slight cutout. It's going to be very hard to see this if it focuses. But there is a tiny cutout at the top for the earpiece. It's very small, but that looks really good. So glad that they included that. Tempered glass, not some of that cheap stuff. So that's cool. Now we'll take a look first at the case itself. As you guys can see, it's got a little bit of a flex to it, not too bad. It's got a kickstand on the back. Let's see how that works. Yeah, just like the old ones. Comes right out like that. Very stable and secure, but when you want to put it away, it goes down. And also, this one is a lot easier than competitors. I will say that. I don't have to destroy my fingernails to open it, so I like that. I guess this is a two-piece case. You guys can see it kind of flexing and separating a little bit. That's probably normal. Now, the reason I say it's normal is because this has a card holder right there attached to the case. So it's a case for your phone with a kickstand and can hold cards. So here is the slot right there. And as you guys can see on their marketing, they've got a credit card for one card going in there. So that is awesome to see. This is pretty much an all-in-one because it's also a holster. So let's grab the iPhone here and stick it in. There we go. And we will put that on here. And let's just see how this one does. Boom, snaps right in. And yes, this can swivel. I think I've got it upside down. There we go. And I don't know if you guys are seeing this too, but I'm a reviewer, so I find things like this. This can come out like so, and boom, you've got yourself a kickstand. This is epic. So you could literally flip your phone around and watch a movie with this case. So you've got everything in one. So this is like, for someone that just wants everything in one, this is like your dream case right here. It's got these fake bolts on the outside to make it look good. And this is a soft touch material. This is not some super glossy plastic or anything. This looks super professional. If this was on your belt, kind of looking out like that, people know you mean business. It's super rugged, but it actually doesn't look that rugged just because it looks super premium. Judging the case itself, great resivity here. Button feel is great. No issues there. Resivity on the camera is also good. And it's got a little lanyard spot. They have thought of everything. There's the bottom cutout in case you're wondering. I don't know what else you could ask for if you just wanted a case with everything that's not super bulky. Like this really is not that bulky. I've reviewed much more bulky cases than this that have less features. So check this one out for sure, guys. This is the IronArmor, of course, links down below. Now let's quickly go over the 13 and 13 Pros. Now I'm going to show the 13s here. Unfortunately, if you guys missed our other video, our dummy iPhone 13 model actually broke. And that's super unfortunate, but those are very sharp shards of glass. So I'm not going to be putting these on, but I'm going to show you guys all around them. And you guys will see just how cool these cases are. So this, of course, is the Atomic Slim. And here is what it looks like. So in the box, the same things as before with the sticker. And you guys can immediately tell this is a lot smaller than the 13 Pro Max, just with the size of the camera as well as everything else. It's just super small. And this is their Atomic Slim, of course. So you got the see-through back with the metal. This is metal around the outside with an inset of kind of a rubbery material. So it's super grippy. On the inside, you guys can see same exact foamy, I don't know what it is, plastic on the inside. And it's super soft and should protect your phone. MagSafe compatible, of course, so no issues there. And it looks like it has the exact same resivity as the others, so no issues at all. This is a very nice case. If you're looking for something with really good protection, but see-through as well, this is the one to get because a lot of the just clear, plain TPU ones will not give you the protection that this one will. So check it out. Now let's check out another one here. This is the Covert, same color as the Pro Max, I believe. Yeah, so same smoky color, Same exact features, same flex, same everything, just for the smaller phone, so you guys can see what that looks like in hand. Very nice case. This is definitely going to be a fan favorite because you don't have to worry about it getting yellow or dirty because it's already smoked out. So yeah, looks really good. All right, now we've got two brand new colors here, but they are the same models as before. So they have a lot of colors for these models. So like I said, links down below. You guys can check out all the different ones. Here we've got the Covert and the Atomic Slim in red. These look really cool. Let's open up the Covert first just to take a peek at what this one looks like. So same troll sticker, same exact thank you card, same little piece of plastic or cardboard. And here it is. This one, instead of being smoked out, is more of just a clear white color. And this is probably my personal favorite color of the bunch, if we're excluding the Atomic Slim oil slick color, if they still make it. But yeah, this just looks so clean. I'm actually gonna put this on my personal iPhone 13 Pro that we have in the studio right now. I have the gold iPhone 13 Pro, and that is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. The good thing about this frosted clear color, it's kind of a clearish white. It can morph itself like a chameleon into any color that your phone is. So you guys can see it almost looks like it's a gold case now a little bit because it is so shiny and it reflects off of it so well. Man, that looks so good. And it feels good in the hand too. I can't be the only one that likes the added flair of the extra orange in the corners. I think that looks really cool. It lets people know that your case is not just an average ordinary case. This is something special. MagSafe compatible, Apple logo is visible, resivity is great as you guys can see on the front as well, no issues there. Buttons are covered, mute switch is easy to access. This of course has that cutout right there for easy access there for charging. And let's test out the button feel on a live phone here. Oh, that is super nice, super clicky. What a great case. So if you're looking for a clear case, it's clear through and through. This is one to get. It is not that big. It looks big, but it's really just super protective, but does not add much bulk. Very nice. Let's move on to the next. All right, so I don't typically put a ton of cases onto my phone just because I don't like to scratch it up, but I'm going to put this one on my phone because the Atomic Slim is really cool. So let's check it out here. We got the same thank you card. We've got the troll sticker. We've got this plastic or cardboard. Why do I keep saying plastic? I don't know. Here is the case. Same exact inside as the others. And the red on the back. That is super, super vibrant. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it looks really good. But hey, let's grab the iPhone and see how it looks on the phone itself. Now, I have the gold phone, which is probably not the ideal color for a red case, but hey, let's give it a go and see. All right, so let's flip her over and see. Yeah, that's kind of an interesting combo. It's not bad by any means. Kind of just looks like an off-white color there, but with black, this would look so good. Even white, those would be the move here for sure. But you guys can see exact same camera resivity as the others, so no issues, especially with the screen. Cutout, same at the bottom here. Focuses, come on, there we go. Sides looking great. Power button is covered. Let's check the button feel. Very good. And just like the other one, this one has indents on the side here that just make it feel a little bit smaller in the hand. Very good attention to detail. All around, super nice case. Check this one out for sure, guys. So that has been the quick lineup of all of the Ghostek cases that they sent out. I want to thank them for sending these out free for review. They are awesome cases. Check them out. Links down below. If you're looking for a high quality case that's a little bit more minimal than some of the flashy ones, but gives you a ton of protection, and it's just premium aluminum all around here, cold to the touch, super solid cases. That's all I can say. Check them out. Links down below. If you liked the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.